Shannon here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you found me and you like my cards, please subscribe. I will upload videos every Saturday. But this is a special time. We're getting into the holiday season and I have so many new products. I have a lot of cards that I have crafted, so I may sneak in an additional video around midweek from now until December, so I will let you know. So if you click subscribe, you will see it. So let's get started. So in today's video, we're going to see the cards that I have made with the new Easy 3D toppers. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Easy 3D, these come from Holland, and there are 10 toppers in each of the bags, and each topper comes in 3 layers. So I'm going to show you what I have done with those, because they're so easy to work with and they make beautiful cards. So here we have the lanterns and the animals. And the card I made, so you have an idea how they work, is this one with this cute polar bear. And you can see how I layered it with foam tabs, and it doesn't take much because the embellishment is just so pretty, and of course the focal point of the card. Now with this card, I used my punch where I can punch into the page and punched out these little hearts and then put some silver paper behind it. But this is just a piece of my stash paper, a few stars that I had in my stash, and then of course this beautiful cutesy polar bear with a lantern coming from this pack. And I'll take a few for you out so you can see what's in here. But each lantern has a cute animal. So we have the lanterns with the birds, and then here we have let me see, oh, I think we have maybe a little, oh, that's a squirrel. We have a squirrel, more birds, there's an owl, penguins, a deer. So you get the idea. Very cute. And size wise they are, let's see, about 2 inches by about 3.5. So that's my first card with the animals and the lanterns, and it's just a white card blank, but look how stunning. And I like these cards that come together very quickly, especially when you need a lot of cards for Christmas. So the next one is here, my cute angel. And look at this beautiful angel. And I have 2 different angel packs in my store. There is this pack right here. And here's the second one, and one is just as cute as the other, so I wouldn't know which one to pick, but both are available. And with this card, I just used a die that is an ornament die and used it as my background, and then added some greenery, which is a sticker, and then my cute little angel with the violin all popped up. And this is it a 6x6 card? Not quite. It's 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. So this is a square card. And because it is a red card, I always add a white piece of, this is just computer paper, so I have a blank to write on. Now the Celebrate the Season was in my stash, and then actually this pretty holder of the ornament is part of the die. And then that's all it is. I think I added a few stickles. Yes, the gold is stickles. These are not glittered. Let me see this one if they're glittered. Some have foil on it. Okay, so just to give you a quick overview again. Here they are, and aren't they darling? Those cute angels. Okay, and then I have more. So then I have these beautiful Christmas cups, and they show these teacups, and then each of the teacup has a little embellishment. Here you can see the luscious cookies, or it could be a coffee cup. And these come from the winter teacups, and as you know, there are 10 in here, and look at all these different colors, and each has something that you can put on the saucer, either cookies or greenery, embellishments that make these teacups come alive. So with this card I have used some gold background paper, and I just used it on a white card blank again. And all I did is added a little piece of these beautiful golden stars and then the embellishment, and that's all it is. A little sticker here, Merry Christmas. I carry these in my shop on sticker sheets, so you can check, and I'll put them in the info box below. And the only other thing I have added is I have a punch that punches out these little branches here. And whenever I have pretty paper, as you can see, this is gold paper and this is glitter paper, I don't throw away anything, even the tiniest snips I keep, and then I can punch out little things like this, and it just adds to it. So this is one card I made, and I made a second one, and here it is. And with this card I just cut into the teacup with my craft knife and added a tea bag. So I thought they were just perfect to add a tea bag, because they are dimensional, so you lay them up, so it gives you a little bit of a dimension to add a tea bag. And doesn't it look cute? And this could be, of course, this says Happy Christmas, but it could also be a get well card if somebody got this, you know, got a cold. Isn't that just wonderful? And on the inside I have, again, because it is a red card, a piece of white paper, and then I added this string, and this is new to me, and look how pretty it is. I just bought that at Michael's, and it's basically, I guess you could, you know, knit with it, but it is pretty, I don't know if I would want to wear it. I think it would be itchy, but I thought for craft reasons, when I make tags, for example, and I need to have a little string on it, because it is so glittery. So this was very cheap. I think it was $3 or $2 something. So I have a lot here. For the rest of my life I can make craft tags and put a string on it. But yeah, here is this card with the teacups, and aren't they just gorgeous? They make beautiful and very quick cards. So, and to finish it off, I have two more cards I made with these cute candle 3D toppers, and I just thought them darling. Look how cute that candle is, and it has this little figurine in front. And what I have done here with this red card, I just used some wood grain paper in the background, and then this heart is a die, and I again used up a lot of my scraps on just a piece of cardstock and layered it in strips and then cut it out with my die. So this became this beautiful ornate heart here in the background, but it's just all scraps. And then of course I matched it with the colors of my topper. The Merry Christmas, again, is a sticker from one of my sentiment sticker sheets. And this topper came from the candles in wintertime. And let's see if this focuses so you can see it, the different candles. So you have, there is the one that I have used. You have candle groups, 3 candles, 2 candles. You have greenery, you have flowers, another cute little figurine, and then all different colors, which I like. So even a blue one, and I made a card with that too. But this is just one pack that's called Candles in Wintertime. There is a second one which is called Advent Candles. And for those of you who celebrate Advent, you know there are 4, sometimes 5 candles. And look how pretty these are. And of course you light a candle every Sunday in Advent leading up to Christmas. That's why you have these candles at different sizes, because by Christmas they should all have the same height. They burnt down then. And you have cute little angels here, and there's a Santa. Yeah, I do celebrate Advent. You know, as a kid I had an Advent calendar in Germany, and the weeks leading up to Christmas, those were actually the most exciting weeks. There were a lot of crafting, and we always had an Advent wreath with the candles on it, and every Sunday we lit a candle, and these remind me of those traditions. So these are the Advent candles, and I have a second card that I have created with my Candles in Wintertime, and here it is. It is similar to my first card, so I have a colorful card blank. I have some blue wood grain paper that I used, and then the same thing, this heart is the die which I created from the heart I created with this die. And again I layered scrap strips and then cut it out. Here this Merry Christmas is another sentiment from a sticker sheet. And then here on the side, these are the Icicle stickers, and I'm gonna link them below. They're back in stock, and just don't they look cute? Yeah, so those are the Icicle stickers that yeah, you can use them as icicles, but here I just use them as a treatment for the edge, so a border treatment, and it works just as well. And then of course here is my white paper. Same here, I got the white paper in here, and all I do is I leave this one open, and I only put a little bit of glue on this side of the card so it stays put, but here I can then add my sentiment and my message. I hope you liked my cards and these gorgeous 3D card toppers. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please come back to my channel. There will be lots of Christmas videos coming up over the next few weeks. There will be giveaways, there will be coupons, so please stay tuned. And also join us on Facebook. We have a Facebook group, European Paper Crafts Friends, and the information is in the info box below. So please stay or get well, happy crafting, and I will catch you next time. Bye!